In this video, I'm going to show you how to create API key in Google AI Studio. So the first thing you have to do here in Google AI Studio, go to the very bottom left where it says Get API Key, click on that, and then over here, go to the API Key section. To create one, click on Create API Key at the very top right, and then here you can first name your key. I'm just going to name it Key 1 for this tutorial. You can do whatever you want here, and then where it says Choose an Imported Project, click on Select a Cloud Project, and then you can either import a project or create one over here, or just select one on your list already. Let's say I have one over here, as you can see, which is my calculator app. You can just click on that specific one, click on Create Key. It's going to load for a few seconds over here, and then it's going to create your key. And to actually get it, you want to click on the key name, and this is now your API key. So make sure you don't actually share this with anyone. I'm going to delete this right after the recording of this video, but of course, for your case, don't share this with anyone. You only can have access to it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.